So we spoke about it, we expected it, but now that it's happening, it feels awkward. For the first time in the history of the Caribbean T20 Cricket League, there is no Jamaican franchise. It just hit home. The nation with half the population of the cricket playing nations in the region don't have a franchise in the top regional T20 league. But question, does Jamaica have any sporting shame? Are our egos and our pride intact? This season gone, but can we some way, somehow find a way to rescue this embarrassing situation? Is it really that of all the territories in the region that have lost the passion for cricket, is it that pound for pound, Jamaica has lost more passion or lost the passion more for the game of cricket than every other territory in the region? Well, if that is the case, leave it alone. Leave it alone. We cut with losses and run. Yes. We have a track up in our football. Make we just leave the cricket alone. Cut with losses. We have cut with losses and run. Cut with losses and run.